Thinking of starting your programming journey but don't know where to begin? Before diving into your first line of code, let me share 6 essential things you need to know to set yourself up for success. Hi, I'm Terry, a software engineer at FIAN company passionate about helping beginners to succeed in tech. In this video, I will share 6 key points that will save you time, frustration, and help you build a solid foundation. Ready? Let's dive in. Be ready to continuously learn and practice. Programming isn't something you master and forget. Technology evolves and there is always more to learn. So being a programmer means constant learning. Important point here is that both learning and actual coding requires a lot of practice. It's like learning to ride a bicycle or learning a musical instrument or running. Practice is one of the key aspects of mastering programming. It is also important to know how to learn. There are a lot of resources of different types out there: YouTube videos, video and reading courses, books, audiobooks, podcasts, offline courses and masterclasses, etc., etc., etc. Try to find the type of learning that fits you best. For example, I prefer a visual learning, so books, reading courses and videos that includes diagrams, examples and other similar materials works best for me. Knowing my learning style, I can choose right resources to get value from them without wasting my time. And keep in mind that programming itself requires a lot of independent learning and research. Understand why you want to learn programming. Ask yourself, why do you want to code? Is it to build websites or create apps or land a high-paying job? Knowing your why will help you to pick right tools and stay motivated even when things get tough. And believe me, they will at some point. For example, if you're interested in web development, learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript is a great way to start. When you know your why, you can create a roadmap to help you focus on one thing at a time. For example, you want to be a front-end developer, or a back-end developer, or a full-stack engineer. Create a roadmap that aligns with your goal and start working on it. Learning programming first, then coding will be easier. Understand the concepts behind programming, like logic, problem-solving, data structures, algorithms, before focusing on syntax of specific languages. Think of coding languages like tools, and learning how to use them is easier when you understand the bigger picture of programming. Understand what you are doing. To master programming, you need to learn to understand what are you working with. It is a part of a learning process as well. So ask questions like, why did I write this code? Why did I put this condition here? It will help you to understand things better and not rely on copy-pasted code from Stack Overflow just because it works, but actually understand why it works. Also, it will help you with code reviews for your peers at your future job. Don't be afraid to fail and know when to ask for help. Failure is an essential part of programming. Every error you encounter teaches you something new. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. So instead of fearing mistakes, look at them as opportunities to grow. While struggling with problems helps you learn, there is no shame in asking for help when you're stuck for too long. But make sure you have tried solving it yourself first. Before reaching out, research your issue online. Platforms like Stack Overflow and different forums often have answers you're looking for. Don't give up. Learning programming is challenging, especially at the beginning. There will be times when you feel frustrated, but persistence is key to success. Remember, every expert programmer was once a beginner who didn't give up. Just keep going. You're closer to your breakthrough than you think. So let's recap. Prepare to always keep learning. Understand why do you want to learn programming. Focus on programming fundamentals. Ask the right questions, don't be scared to fail, and most importantly, never give up. So, what's your biggest reason for wanting to learn programming? Feel free to share it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.